Come down. Lizard.
I know say they will laugh. I know lizard.
Well, let's go.
I know say they will laugh. All right, pick it up. I've got no lizard.
Let's go. Oh, see lizard. Siroli.
No, what gecko.
And
All right, pick up and action.
I don't jump down. I might climb.
Climb again, then jump, then come down. All right, pick it up and action.
Hey, where there? Hey, what gecko? Hey, Ezio, what do you want? In that reality, big what gecko? See, you want to go back climb?
Please, even if I no come, let me just climb. My waist is doing me heavy.
Ezio.
Just really gonna marry too. I will not come. Yes.
You will not come.
Yes.
You just want small.
Yes.
You want to climb?
Thank you.
Go and bring ladder. Bring ladder.
No, I'm equal to the task.
I will not send this on the boat. You want to climb? You okay? Where is the money for my oil? Where is it?
Oh, you?
What happened to it?
I didn't take money, your money.
No problem. Since you will not tell me the truth, you will not climb. No problem. Hold it.
If I tell you the truth, you will leave me.
Yes, because there's no way you will take my oil, take my money. You still want to climb. You are very greedy. You will not make heaven. You are very greedy. Want to climb together with my missing oil, my money.
Let me say the truth. For the money, I took it. I never saw oil. I didn't see oil. Please. Can I do now?
Like that. Today is a happy day. Front or back?
Let me start from back.
Cut.
I never come. I don't want to come again.
Cut it.
I come on, I'm not going now.
Cut it, I see.